They stuffed the rifle in between sandbags and tied 2 tins to the top and bottom, connecting the trigger to the lower one. Then they filled the top can with water before poking holes in it. And as the water dripped down, it slowly filled the bottom tin. The growing weight pulled on the rope, building tension until it finally yanked the trigger. This fired the gun while the sandbag kept it in place. You see, the soldiers used this to trick the enemy into thinking the battle was still going on as they quietly slipped away.